Hey everybody, today our project is going to be this 2017 Cascadia getting a 1.8 cubic foot 49 liter refrigerator. To start this install, we're going to want to remove the trim ring that goes around the face of the cabinet. You may have this trim ring, it may just snap right off. Sometimes it may be a closet door that you'll have to remove. This one, today, we're going to have to remove 4 screws from the inside of the cabinet to release the face. If your trim ring has screws holding it in, there'll be 4 holes on the inside of your cabinet, here, at the top as well, and on the opposite side. They will be T25 Torx head screws. Once the trim ring is loose, we can just pull it off and set it aside for now. In the back bottom of your cabinet, you'll see a 12-volt cigarette lighter receptacle. We're just going to want to pry that out of the hole with a big screwdriver. Once we get the receptacle out of the hole, we'll disconnect the wiring from the back of it. This is going to plug directly into our unit. Now we're ready to install our bottom brackets. We'll first have to locate the 4 bolt holes that are pre-drilled into the base of this cabinet, covered in carpet. Once we find those holes, we'll just poke our screwdriver through to allow the bolt to pass. If you can't find them on the top side, you can look through the bottom of the cabinet to locate the 4 holes in the base of the cabinet. Now that we've found our 4 holes, we're going to put our base plate in and secure it with 4 bolts and nuts that come with the kit. Next, we'll want to move on to the top plate. This will mate up with the top plate that's already bolted into the cabinet from the factory. You'll use the one that came with the kit. It will mate up with the 2 holes that are already there. If you already have this bracket in your truck, disregard this step. Alright, now for the top bracket, we're going to use these push rivets that are included. We're going to start on the right, drive it completely in, and then we'll move to the left side. Alright, we've got both brackets installed in the cabinet now. We're ready to get the fridge in. Now that we have the fridge in the truck, we're going to want to hook the fridge wiring to the factory truck wiring. Prepare to set the fridge in. Just note to make sure the wires stay out from underneath the fridge or it will short your circuit out. Once the fridge is all the way slid back, we're going to want to secure the fridge with 2 bolts there in the bottom and the one in the top center. If you already had the factory top bracket, you'll look for a nut and a bolt that comes in the kit like this. This is going to be the one that mates for the factory top bracket. Now the fridge is secured in the cabinet, we can go ahead and reach in here, turn our thermostat to about number 5, and as long as the fridge has been upright for at least 4 hours, we can let it start running. The fridge is in, and on the back side of our trim ring we took off earlier, there are going to be 4 clips that look like this that were holding the screws. We're going to need to remove those for the next step. Now that we have the clips off, we're going to want to take these push pins that come with the kits, put them in the holes that the clips were covering, flat end down. Get your push pins locked in, and then line them up with the holes the screws were in, and go ahead and secure your trim ring back to the face of the cabinet. There you go, that's it. If you had a closet door instead of a trim ring, you may want to get the trim ring to make it look like a factory finished installation. To do so, I'll leave the part numbers in the comments below.